Okay, so once purchasing the course and all that and going through it, what was your experience with the DIY credit course, to be specific?
Pretty much, I like to fish. Pretty much, I don't want nobody giving me something. So when I seen the DIY credit course, it was like nail on the head because I was able to go through and figure out step by step what do I need to do, and it gave me the videos, gave me step by step on how to do it. So it was just like it was a no brainer for me to simply follow the steps and get it done.
Right. And one thing I want a lot of people to know is like I don't really do a lot of letters. Like the letters is in there, all of the letters in the is in there, right? But
Yep.
I'm really big on video walkthroughs. So a lot of topics I cover and I make videos about them. And then when it actually comes to what you need to do to start repairing your credit, there's a video on that too, right?